You know you're in Florida when you just walk to your car and this is what your lens looks like. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about how we just all lost our jobs. So, if you are a gig driver, I've been saying it, I'm like the Paul Revere, it's not going to last very long. It's only a matter of time before the robots take over. So, shout out Chad, the gig economist, also known as GigTube on YouTube. Check out his channel, it's at the top of the description because he sent me this first thing in the morning today, and it's something I definitely got to talk about. So go follow Chad on YouTube. Definitely check him out. So, Walmart and Ford and Argo AI have all teamed up to come out with an autonomous delivery service, meaning we're useless. They don't need us anymore. And if this isn't a sign for you to get up and go figure out something else, like if you guys are relying on this as a sole way of making money, you really should look into other options. Like, seriously. Okay, so I predicted this a year ago. About a year ago, I made a video on robots are going to take over the delivery industry. Everyone was like, nah, that's not happening anytime soon. Well, guess what? It is. So, let me just read this article by TechCrunch.com. Okay, so Walmart has tapped Argo AI and Ford to launch an autonomous delivery service, vehicle delivery service in Austin, Miami, Washington, D.C., the company said on Wednesday. The service will allow customers to place online orders for groceries and other items using Walmart's online delivery platform. Argo's cloud-based infrastructure, sorry, I'm reading kind of slow today, I just woke up, will be integrated into Walmart's online platform, routing the orders and scheduling package deliveries to customers' homes. Initially, the commercial service will be limited to specific geographic areas in each city and will expand over time. The companies will begin testing later this year. So we got like what, 2 years left, and I'm pretty damn sure I predicted 3 years, and there's going to be delivery service vehicles, like autonomous delivery service vehicles, on the streets soon. Walmart and Ford have partnered before in a limited test with Postmates in fall in 2018. Rest in peace, Postmates. In a pilot program which focused on, just so you know, I actually predicted Postmates going out of business also. I'm just saying, I predicted it like 3 years ago. I was like, Postmates isn't going to last long because their infrastructure sucks, and look what happened to Postmates. They basically died off. In a pilot program which focused on Miami-Dade, I don't know what that is. Miami-Dade County. Oh, Miami-Dade, it's in Dade County. They used simulated self-driving vehicles to study their user experience of delivering groceries. Argo was not involved in that study. Cheat code for this video, just put it on 125% speed, so that way it sounds like I'm actually reading fast. We had a super late night last night. I am still wearing eyeliner because we finished our show rehearsals at like freaking midnight. Got home super late, just went to sleep. Now I'm awake. That's why I'm wearing sunglasses. The announcement illustrates Ford's two-track system to launch a commercial service that uses autonomous vehicles to shuttle people and possibly packages. Wait, hold on. Possibly packages? Wouldn't packages come first before people? Wouldn't you want your packages to be delivered before people in a car? I don't know, maybe, I don't know. The automaker has been testing the business side of how a dedicated fleet of autonomous vehicles might operate in the real world. It backed Argo back in 2016. They've been doing this since 2016. Like testing it and stuff. It backed Argo AI back in 2016 and tapped the company to develop and test the real self-driving system. It also shows how Austin and Miami have become central to their initial commercialization plans. Earlier this summer, Argo AI and Ford announced plans to launch at least 1,000 self-driving vehicles, meaning 1,000 of you are about to be deactivated. Self-driving vehicles on Lyft's ride-hailing network in a number of cities over the next 5 years, starting with Miami and Austin. The first Ford self-driving vehicles equipped with Argo's autonomous vehicle technology are expected to be available in Miami on Lyft's app later this year. So my question for the day, comment down below. Would you guys let a self-driving vehicle taxi you around? You know, I would have said no until I had a Tesla, and Jesus, that Tesla was incredible on how smart it was. And yeah, I would totally, like, I would just double tap, put the car in just cruise mode and just like chill, and I was like not even paying attention, I'm not gonna lie. I was like editing videos, and like the car drives itself, like it's so insane. So I don't doubt that this will be out in a few years at all. And unfortunately, this is the way of the future. You know, robots are going to take over, and I'm surprised drones haven't taken over. Like drones that can just straight up deliver straight to your door. That's going to be a thing pretty damn soon, I bet. Because why are we even using cars when a drone could just fly over? You know, it almost would make more sense to make like $5,000 drones that just pick up the package and go. But I don't know, that's probably more of a helicopter with how heavy some packages and stuff could be. But anyways, let me know what your guys' comments and thoughts are down below. What's your prediction on how long gig driving is going to last? Because I've said it's not going to last that long. Whether we turn into employees first or whether robots take over, it's not going to be lasting too much longer, in my opinion. Now, I could be wrong, but I'm usually right. I think. I don't know. Maybe I just think that I'm right, which is, I don't know. I always think that I'm right. Anyways, let's just hopefully prepare for the worst and start looking for other ways of making money. Now, this is a gig. It should be a side hustle. It should not be a full-time way of making money, in my opinion. I just think everyone should... I think you should be looking for ways that robots are not going to take over. So, I think I'm pretty set with YouTube and Acrobat and creating shoes. I think I'm kind of set, but who knows? Who knows? Maybe there'll be YouTube channels made by robots soon and stuff, and you're just gonna watch a robot talk, which is kind of already a thing on Instagram, actually. Anyways, if you guys enjoy these videos at all, if you enjoy the updates and stuff, please consider subscribing to the channel, and also smash the like button for me, because we're all doomed. Anyways, alright. And also, guys, of course, go check out Chad for giving me this article to read to you guys. Chad's on top of it when it comes to the gig game. And yeah, if you guys haven't yet, make sure you check out my footwear company at offaxisathletics.com. Thank you everyone who ordered shoes yesterday. Again, use the discount code TannersYouTube and you will get 60 or 65% off shoes. That is so much, and that's just because I want you guys who watch my channel to be wearing my shoes. I love it. Anytime I see someone's order come in with the Tanner's YouTube discount code, I am super stoked. So thank you guys for watching. Again, make sure you guys subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Drive safe and look for another way of making money. Peace, guys.